Hi everyone! I want to share my mind map from reading the article titled Metacognition Matters in Many Ways by Deanna Kuhn. I chose this article because I remember learning about metacognition in my undergrad studies, but never truly understanding what it really is. And so what I did take away from this article is that metacognition is essentially thinking about your thinking, almost like being a captain steering the ship of your own mind. It involves two key components: monitoring and controlling your cognitive processes. So now in the article, there are 4 different sections. We've got metacognition in learning, metacognition in understanding others, metacognition in reasoning and decision making, and then metacognition in belief revision. So I want to go through and talk about each of these, talk about my little key takeaways. So let's go ahead and start in learning. In the context of learning, metacognition guides us to select and use effective strategies for acquiring and retaining knowledge. It's the difference between just practicing aimlessly and practicing with a purpose, making sure that we learn more efficiently. The next section was about understanding others. So metacognition can extend beyond self-awareness to include understanding the thoughts and the perspectives of others. And this is crucial because it helps with effective communication and empathy, which allows us to consider different viewpoints and then respond more thoughtfully. The third section was on reasoning and decision making. When we face decisions or problems, metacognition can help us to pause and evaluate our options and then choose thoughtfully. It involves weighing evidence and considering different outcomes and making informed choices. And then the next section was belief revision. And our beliefs can change with new information. So metacognition can help this process by making us reflect on our own beliefs and then adapt them based on new insights. So it's like being open. It's about being open to change and willing to update our understandings as we gather more information. So the last few things I do want to talk about that were kind of big key takeaways were the metacognitive abilities tend to develop over time. As we grow, we become more adept to thinking about our thinking. And this development is crucial for academic success, personal growth, and navigating complex social interactions. And then the next one was how our values influence how we use metacognition. And so if we value deep understanding and critical thinking, then we're more likely then to engage in metacognitive processes. And this exchange between values and metacognition can shape how we approach learning and problem solving and interacting with the world. So by understanding and improving our metacognitive skills, we can enhance our ability to learn, communicate, and adapt.